So Tyler's playing with our new toy, the pressure washer, and we're giving the Disco 4 some love. So we've got it up on our ramps. He's giving that. How's it looking, Tyler?
A lot better than it was.
It's looking a lot better than it was, isn't it? Yeah.
It's less noticeable on the inside, but the wheel arches.
Yeah, the wheel arches and everything, which is what we should have done with the poor old Disco 3. Now the Disco 3 G4 replica, he's not actually starting. I mean, we got to get him back in the workshop, but we're not going to wash him yet because he's not starting. I don't want to cause any electrical problems, but we'll probably, I reckon we'll swap that round then, Tyler, and we'll get the front and do all up under the front arches. The other trick we've done is we've raised the suspension. So we've put it in low ratio to drive it up the ramp easier. And we've also raised the suspension to give us a bit more lift so we can get in under the wheel arches and everything. So we'll try and we've got our new bonnet graphic on. I think I'll have on those, they should be on the website now. He's looking good. There he goes, he's in low ratio, he's got the suspension raised. Judging by the stuff on the floor, we've got some mud and silt out of it. Let me see if yeah, he's good. That way a little bit. Yeah, good. Keep coming that way a bit. That'll do. We've got it there. We don't need to go too high because we've already done the back, so just so we can get under the front and the front arches. So that's the front washed off. We've done the front wheels, front wheel arches. Tyler's going to reverse it down. Yeah, he's doing good. You're doing good, Tyler. That's it. And then what we're going to do is we're going to lower the suspension so that it's easier to wash in the bonnet. So at the moment we're raised suspension. That'll do. And then we go, let's watch the suspension drop. Yeah, let off the brakes, Tyler, that's it, yeah. Sometimes if you keep the brakes on, it stops the rear wheels. They'll drop when you take the brakes off, but yeah, that's all good. Pop the bonnet. It's already popped, yeah. Lift them up.
Unpop it.
Unless, it's not too bad, I don't think, in here, but we'll give it a little wash. All this is a bit dirty around here, isn't it? Unless there's some stuff in there, so give that a wash, Tyler, I reckon. And then you could leave it running, Tyler, but some people say, oh, because of the electrics and that, but I think it's fine. It's a bright sunny day here. Lovely sunny day. Tyler's got his shorts on.
I keep wearing jeans.
Alright. You've probably got enough length on it, Tyler. I think you'll probably be fine.